Finding the perfect fit for a high-stakes server environment can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack, but this hardware might just be the missing piece a professional rack needs. It is not just a piece of metal. It is the foundation that keeps expensive equipment safe and organized in a demanding workspace. When dealing with network and server setups, the Rack Assembly 125K90 3733 stands out as a remarkably versatile solution that bridges the gap between various systems and modern performance standards. What makes this specific assembly so impressive is its massive compatibility range. Whether a technician is working with the 700, C75, or J75 series, or even the heavy-duty 550, 560, and 570 models, this unit slides into place with a level of precision that is honestly refreshing. It even covers the C60 and the 5580 through 7780 series, making it a true essential for diverse IT infrastructure. In a world where hardware often feels flimsy or disposable, this assembly feels like it was built to survive years of continuous use. It is engineered specifically for those high-pressure network environments where stability is not just a luxury but a requirement. The construction is solid, offering a sense of security that is rarely found with generic mounting options. It is designed to be a direct replacement or a significant upgrade, and the way it handles the weight and heat of active server components is genuinely impressive. There is a certain peace of mind that comes from knowing hardware is mounted on something that meets such rigorous performance standards. It simplifies the installation process significantly, removing the guesswork that usually comes with retrofitting older racks. For anyone managing a data center or a complex office network, this is the kind of reliable, no-nonsense hardware that keeps the lights on and the data flowing without a hitch. It is a rugged, dependable, and incredibly precise mounting solution that proves why quality engineering matters in the server room. This is a must-have component for ensuring hardware stays secure and accessible for the long haul.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.